Okay, done. Okay, still getting installed. Okay, dude, it will take time. It will take time. Very good, very good, very good. Installed successful. Very good. Good, good, good. Good. Okay. Now, some of you, or if there is any one of you who is not able to install it, do one thing. There is an option also. First of all, let me just those of you who have, I'm going to click here is yes, because I don't have to reinstall it on my system. Now, those of you who have installed it, do one thing. Go on this search tab, right here, Anaconda prompt, ANACONDA. Here you will see this black color Anaconda prompt version 3 app. Click on it. And you will see this rectangular box here. Okay, some people are there in the waiting room. Admit all. Okay, got it. Here, what you are going to use, you are going to write Jupyter notebook. Just write Jupyter, Jupyter notebook, just like what I have done in this similar fashion. Jupyter space notebook. Jupyter space. Prerna, I'll allow everyone to enter, but you just follow these steps. Okay, follow these steps. Okay, and then hit enter. Yes, yes, yes. It is kind of CMD, but you can see here it is lit Anaconda prompt. So I think Anirudh, you have this CS background. Yes, it is command prompt, but like that only, but it is basically Anaconda prompt. So hit enter. Done. Very good, Subhansh. What about the rest of you? Good, 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 good. Yes, yes. Nishad, after installing this Anaconda, you are supposed to follow these steps that I just showed you. Go to the search tab, write Anaconda prompt. You will see this, click on this. You will get this box that is known as the Anaconda prompt. And on this, you will write Jupyter notebook. Okay, Sadia, not installing, not a problem. I will give you another option. But please, uh, for those who have downloaded it successfully, please do that. Let me show you again. Go to this search, Anaconda prompt, click it, and then write Jupyter notebook. Okay. Now here you can see on the left hand side on this browser here, it says opening Jupyter Notebook. So what this will do, it will open my Jupyter Notebook. It will open my Jupyter Notebook. Just quick yes or no. I hope all of you are with me till this part. That is, you are able to open this Jupyter Notebook here. Just let me know. Yes or no. Not yet. Okay. Can you repeat, sir? What you want me to repeat, Rajat? Look, go here. Unable to download, sir. Please read. Please read. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, very good. How many? Yes, sir. Please again. Yes, sir. Please repeat. So I'm going to repeat it again. Uh, no problem, Shrina. Just a minute. Look, those of you who have downloaded Anaconda successfully, now it's running out of time. Not a problem. I am going to reschedule and then I'm going to join again. Okay, so all of you, you will be here with me. So look, you just have to do this thing. Click here, write Anaconda prompt, Anaconda Anaconda. Here you will see this Anaconda prompt app. Click on this app and then write here JUPYTER space and OTEB double OK book notebook, and then just hit enter, and then just hit enter. These are the simple steps that you are supposed to do. Okay, just do it. Please do it. Those of you, because of their system configuration, because of any other reason, who are not able to do that, what you will do, you will again go to Google and you will write here Google Colab, Google Colab, Google Colab, and hit enter. This first one, welcome to Collaboratory Google Research. Okay, click on this. Here you will see this type of page. Here on the left hand side, click on file and new notebook. So you will have this Google Colab page that is open, and it is very similar to the Jupyter Notebook. Here you will see that now this is my Jupyter Notebook page that I got after downloading Anaconda. What I'll do, those of you who have able to who got this far, kindly click here on new Python 3 and click. So you will see this Jupyter Notebook, a new Jupyter Notebook, and it is nothing but a code editor. Now we are going to use this programming language, that is the Python, and we will use this code editor, that is a Jupyter Notebook, to write our code, to do the coding part. So either use this Jupyter Notebook or through Google, use this Google Colab. I am going to share the link here. Again, these are for those who have not been able to. Okay, just give me a second. This link is for those who have not been able to download the Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Very good. Very good. Otherwise, use this Google Colab. Okay, you want me to repeat the Google Colab? Very easy thing. Very easy. Just all you have to do is go to Google. Here, write Google Colab, hit enter. You will see this welcome to this Google Colab collaboratory. Click here and then it's all done. It will open by itself. Just click anywhere on the screen, that window will go and you will see this kind of page. Here go to file and use new notebook, and here the new notebook is open. Okay. Okay. So please let me know how many of you are able to open the Jupyter notebook through Anaconda prompt. You can raise your hand or you can just write yes. I'll have an idea. Shreya says yes, very good. Yes, two away. We have two yes, three yes. Very good. Two passed. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. And those who are not able to use this Anaconda, let me again share you the link. You can use this link, Google Colab link. Okay, you can use this link. Okay. Just click on this link and the Google Colab will open. Now let's move ahead. What basically we are trying to learn here? We are basically trying to learn something which is known as data analytics. That is how to analyze big data. And the very first step for that is learning a language. And the language, there are basically two languages that are available. One is the Python and the second one is R. My personal favorite is Python. We can do, even R is an amazing language and we can do so many things in R. But my personal favorite is Python. And in industry, 90% demand is that for Python. So I have chosen this language. Even though if you will learn Python, automatically by default you will learn R also, because 99% languages are same. What is different is the syntax. Every language has got its syntax and there is difference in the syntax. So you learn Python, you will automatically be able to make sense of R also. So first of all, let us start with a very basic thing, that how does our computer basically works? How does our system works? What happened here is that, suppose you open on an Excel sheet, or you open on or you click on some movie. So what basically happen is that that Excel sheet or the Word file or that movie is basically stored in our computer hard disk. And once you click on that particular, let us say the Excel file, that hard disk is the whatever file that is stored on our hard disk, it gets installed from our hard disk to a thing which is known as the random access memory, that is the RAM, and which is also known as the temporary memory of our system. Okay, and from RAM it is uploaded to the CPU, and then we will have an output. If you clicked on a movie from your hard disk, the output will be that you will be able to, through some application, you will be able to watch that movie, or if you clicked on that Excel file, the result will be your Excel file will get opened. So this is how things basically get works. Now let us move ahead. Suppose on this Word file I type the word A. Okay, so अब ये थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Suppose I type this word A. So what just basic, and on this Word file, I have an output as an A. So what basically just happened, through my keyboard on my machine, I gave an input to my system by pressing the tab A, and the return is what? A. Now suppose I want my system that when I press A, you just don't return to me A. You return me something else. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to communicate with my machine. I'll have to communicate with my system. And this Python language is nothing but a way so that I'll be able to communicate with my system. Okay, so we call them language for a reason. Basically, if I want my system to behave in a certain way, to do certain things. So I'll have to communicate with that system. And for that, I need a language. And one of that language is Python that we are going to learn here. Okay. Yes. It's convert machine language into high level language, bits and all that thing. But one more thing I want you to emphasize here is I am not teaching you software development. Please remember this. And you are not here to learn software development. You are here to learn data analytics. And for that, we must have an information of one language. And one such language is Python. Other is the R that is used by the community. Okay. So of course, bits and all this ones and zero machine learning language, but we are not here to learn those things, Abhishek. Okay. So let's begin. Now this Python, what we can do, we can use it as a calculator. Let us say I write 3 plus 5. Okay. And now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to type it with me, especially those who are the non-programmers.